Hello, thanks for watching this video. Today I'm going to show you Roland JV-880 patches I have used for making a classic hip-hop instrumental. These patches are default, although you can also use these sounds in your music. First of all, I will show you a demonstration of the patches and then the beat itself. Alright, let's get into it. I have added just a little bit of delay and reverb on these chords. The additional melody is just pizzicato with some stereo effect. The classic pattern used in many of the classic 90s hip-hop instrumentals. Also a little bit of delay, chorus, reverb, and as far as I remember, some stereo effect.